Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can develop healthy hair habits. I wanted to make this video in the beginning of the year. I honestly probably should have made it like at the very beginning of the year, but we here now, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed. But I wanted to make this video because I know self-care is a very trending topic right now. I know in the beginning of the year, as well as just pretty much all times of the year, we're always looking for better ways to take care of ourselves and our bodies. And hair for me is it's a part of, I cannot talk today. Hair for me is a form of self-care. Taking care of my hair is a part of taking care of my appearance. And when I take care of my appearance, I just feel the best about myself. I'm more confident, especially when I love the way I look and I'm having a great hair day. Hair is freshly washed, hair is blowing in the wind and looking great. So I wanted to share these tips with you, or things that you can do that will help you or give you the motivation to develop healthy hair habits. I'm not really going to get into the healthy hair habits because I have a lot of videos about that on my channel, and I probably will be making a lot more videos about that. So if you guys are interested in those videos, then after you watch this one, check those out in my description box if you want to know some of the healthy hair habits that I do. But today, let's go ahead and get into what you can do or how you can be motivated to develop healthy hair habits this year. So the first thing that I did when it comes to developing healthy hair habits for myself is I got very clear in my mind, and I got a vision and a goal of what I wanted my hair to look like. What do you want your hair to look like? What do you want your hair to feel like? What type of style is your hair going to be in, or what type of hairstyle do you see yourself having and wearing on a daily basis? What does your regimen or routine like? What do you do to your hair? Come up with maybe like 4 to 5 things that you want for your hair as a goal. You can call it a goal, but I guess, yeah, hair goals. Like, who do you see as hair goals, or what is your picture of hair goals? That if you could have the perfect head of hair, what would that be for you? I want you to imagine that. And once you get that picture and that idea of in your head, then what I want you to do is I want you to do one of 2 things, or you can do both. I want you to find someone who has hair like what you are envisioning for yourself. I want you to find them, maybe on YouTube, or maybe this person has an Instagram, or whatever your favorite content channel is. I want you to find that person, and I want you to observe their routine. Look at what they do. Look at the products that they do. Look at the techniques that they do. Look at their routine, look at their, aesthetic, look at everything. And I want you to begin to I want you to start to implementing some of the things that that person does into your routine, and kind of cater or kind of try to like see if you can adopt some of the things that that person is doing into your routine. As well as if you really don't want to go that route, or there's not someone that has kind of like the total hair package goals for you. Because I know for me, that's the case for me, where I watch, I have a few different relaxed hair girlies that I follow, and I like different things from all of their routines, and I like different things about all of their hair. So one girl that I like, her hair might be just, silky, shiny. She's got her silk press game and styling game on point. But the other girl, her hair might be just thick and beautiful, and she's got that density that I want. So you might not can find one person that has all these things, and if you can't, that's fine. But what I was saying about the other thing that you can do is, since you kind of have an idea of what you want your hair goals to be, like for me, for example, I told you guys shiny, silky, length, and density are things that I'm working on. So if I did not want to go the route of, you know, looking at someone else's routine and implementing the things that they do, what I could do would be to just look up different things and research different things off my checklist that I'm trying to get to as a goal with my hair. So I could look up how to have shinier hair, silk press methods for silkier hair, how to have thicker hair. I can research these different individual topics to give me information on each goal or each thing that's going to help me get to my goal. And I kind of do a combination of both these things. Like I told y'all, I have my girls that I follow that I'm like, ooh, I want my hair silky like hers. Okay, she said this, I'm gonna try that. Ooh, I know she got some thick hair. Okay, she said don't do this, don't do that, do this, do that. I'm gonna try that. Okay, yeah, I want this. I know she said this, I know she said that, but let me also research what I can do and maybe learn something extra on my own on what I can do to get to that goal. That's kind of what I do. And that helped me to develop my routine. Some of the things in my routine I got from other girls. Some of the things in my routine I learned on my own. I'm about to bring y'all some new products and show y'all some new products that I like and that I use. And a lot of those products are from other girls. Another thing that I did and that you can do as well that will help you to develop healthier hair habits for this year and self-care habits overall is to find the reason on why you want or why you have this hair goal that you have. So for me, for example, I told y'all all the goals that I have for my hair. I started off my hair journey of just taking better care of my hair and just doing more research and learning better ways to take care of my hair because I did not want to have to depend on wigs. I didn't want to have to depend on weaves to get the styles that I wanted. I wanted to just be able to wake up, comb my hair down and go. I didn't want to have to be like planning in my head, okay, well, I got to wear this weave, I got to wear this wig, I got to do this, I got to do that. I wanted to take care of my own hair and get my own hair to the point where I can wear it in whatever style that I want and I can achieve that with my own hair. And that was the reason why I had the goals that I had of, just revamping my routine and taking much better care of my hair. And I wanted to look a certain way naturally with my own hair. I wanted to have a certain aesthetic and look about myself that I had created from just me taking the time of taking care of my own hair. So, and that why or reason is going to be different for everyone. That was just my reason. But let me know y'all's thoughts on this video and let me know, are you planning on taking better care of your hair and doing more self-care in 2023? I know I have definitely been ramping up on the self-care, not just my hair, but I've been trying to take better care of my skin. I've been working out more, taking better care of my body. And I started all these things like last quarter of 2022, and I've just been working hard to be more disciplined and carry them into 2023, because when I tell y'all, a lot of things in my life changed like in 2022, like with all the hard work, discipline, and everything that I had like set into place with just different things in my life. Like my life changed a lot. Like it's not like, oh my God, I'm living a completely different life, but like my life like improved a lot, like for the better, with just a lot of the things that I was doing. So that's why I try to implement all the things I'm doing as far as discipline, staying consistent, and all that into my hair and self-care as well, because if we could just make our lives better, like if we could just make our lives better by just being consistent and doing those things, imagine how good we would look if we stayed consistent on our hair care, our self-care, and all that as well. So I wish you guys such a beautiful journey on your self-care journey, and I hope you have the success that I have had. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.